Do you work with clients who are vegan or vegetarian? Do you know the nutrients most at risk for people on a vegan diet? Hi, and welcome to this Megabite online nutrition course on vegan diets. This course is presented by Catherine Backley. Catherine is an accredited practicing dietitian who has a private practice in Sydney, Australia. In this course, you'll learn about the different types of vegetarian diets and how to fortify the at-risk nutrients in a vegan diet, and also how to create nutritious and well-balanced vegan diets for your clients. This course is approved by the Commission on Dietetic Registration as 2 CPEU hours at level 3. As with all Megabite courses, you get an online multiple choice questionnaire to test your knowledge before and after, a self-study reflection form, and a certificate of completion to add to your professional learning portfolio. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link to get started now.